As guys, yesterday we discussed about update and delete command, and we studied a little bit other concept as well. And I gave you an assessment to create our database, create a table, and do some sort of modification. And some of you just did it yesterday, but most of you are remaining still. Okay. Did you guys practice it and finish up with the table assessment which I gave you yesterday? Okay, Katya, Farid. Okay, Farid, go ahead and share your screen. Let me see your screen. Let me give you access. Okay, I'll check one by one. Go ahead, Farid, share your screen. Okay, I guess Farid can share. Okay, for Farid, go ahead. You share your screen. Let's see your screen.
Okay. I just did it this one yesterday, but when I execute it and run it, these values cannot be inserted. I don't know, for some reason. I don't know where I made a
Okay.
mistake.
Let's trace the bug. So sorry. Let's do one thing. In this type of scenarios, everybody just focus on the screen. Just first of all, Feroz, do one thing. Come to end of line number 22 and execute this command. First of all, let's check what is the error, why it's not injecting. Let's see. It says that like error code is read the message section error code 1264 out of range value for column phone number at row 1. If you see in a row 1, if you whenever you enter, you add how many digits for phone number, you only add int. But now you're taking it inside that single quote. It means that you're inserting character value inside integer, which is not possible, Feroz. For that, you need to remove that quotes from phone number digits, that single quotes, because you get the phone number type integer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you need to remove the single quote from all of them. And as well for line number 1 after the values as well, you need to remove that. Go a little bit, scroll it up. You can see at line number 1 after the values met at the rate, you have single quotes as well with values. Yeah, and numbers. Yeah, remove that single quote as well. And now execute it. Come to the end of the line number 22 and execute. Let's check what it says again. Okay, it says again that out of range. Okay, now do one thing, just remove 2 or 3 digits from that phone number.
What if I
As of now, just remove 3 digits from that. Remove 3 digits from all of them. Yeah, go ahead, remove three digits. I will tell you what's the problem. And today we are studying that that how we will modify and change the data type of our fields, how to add an extra space for the fields. We will study with the alter command. Okay, do for the first line, Smith, as well. Yeah, 3 digits. Great. Now execute it again. Let's see what it says. Now it is successfully executed. Now your job is to select star from Facebook sign in. Yeah. Execute that line. Let's see. Now you can see that you inserted or injected values. You're good to go, Feroz.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Okay, you can stop your sharing. Let me see. Or let me ask random. Okay, Katya, go ahead, share your screen. Excellent job, Katya. Everything looks excellent. Excellent job, Katya. Yeah, totally. Did you face any error, Katya?
Just at the beginning, remember when I was putting the creating all the 20 entries, different inserting different data information.
Okay.
That's when I had a duplicate, but other than that, it's fine.
Yeah, you did. Thank you so much, Katya. Okay. Let me ask one another. Participant Sadaf also did it. Ahmad Samadhi, I guess I checked your assessment yesterday. I guess. Masood was still remaining. Sardar did it. Katya did it. Okay, Farid also did it. Okay. Great job, guys. Yeah. So, with no further delay, let's study our new topic today. That is alter command. We will check that with the help of alter command, what kind of operation we can do on the table structure. Basically, alter command is used for modification of the table structure. Now, let me share my screen again. For example, in which scenarios we are using alter command? Let me take a black pen. You have created the table. This is your table structure. And now in this table structure, you're doing what? You're adding column ID, email, phone, like next we can take address. And last one we can take telephone number. Most of the houses have telephone number as well, digital telephones. Now, each field in database, you specify that for ID, you took int. For email, you took varchar 25. For phone, you take varchar 10. And for address, same. For telephone, same. Now, case happened that in field of phone number, you're entering 13 digit, but the size is only of 10 digit. In this case, what you gonna do? You're gonna delete all the table, but if you see that you have stored 1 millions of record inside your table, so what you gonna do in this case? In this case, with the help of alter command, we can save our table inside database. Alter command is used to do what? To delete the column for us, to add a new column for us inside the existence table, and to modify a column inside a table. Now, in this case, we will modify that. How we will modify that? That we will change the size of worker from 10 to 13 with the help of alter command. We can, if we wanna, now as of now, people are not using telephone. Most of the people are not using telephone. So if this field is not useful or usable for us, we can delete this as well. How we will delete this? This will happen with the help of alter command again. And if we see, or if we feel that we need to add one another column as well, right here, that will be something column of anything etc. With the help of alter command, we can add another column as well inside an existing table. Now let's go to the MySQL workbench and practice it. Okay, my job is that I will do what? I already have register table, so let's do one thing. I will use Facebook database. For that, use command, use Facebook, but semicolon, and run it. If you see that my Facebook is already selected in a green bold button in bold text, black color. So now let's first of all select, do I have a data inside my Facebook register table? Select star from register. I'll put semicolon and I will run it. If I run it, you can see that I have what? I have data inside my what? Inside my Facebook register table. Now I feel that inside that I need to add one another column right here. So for adding one another column, you have to wait. You have to delete the table again and do what? Reinsert the data, recreate the table. It will take lots of your time, and plus there is one disadvantage that you will lose your data. So for that reason, alter command save us from this big loss. How we will do that with the help of alter command? Let's check right now. For that, we will do what? We have a syntax. Syntax says that for adding any kind of table, any kind of fields inside your table, you need to do what? You need to use alter syntax like this. Alter. After that, keyword of table, alter table. Next is, you need to target the table. Suppose I'm adding inside register, so I need to target the register table, which is inside my Facebook database. Register. Now, next job is add. Add is again keyword. Add. Well, I need to add a age. So name of that field, new field that you wanna add, age. Next, after age, you need to specify the data type of the new added field and put a semicolon and hit the enter button. Here you are. Your new field is added inside the register table. Now let's check it inside MySQL, whether it will work or not. So for that, I will do it. I will run the alter command, alter table. Let me zoom it a little bit so that it's look clear for you guys. Alter table. Next job is name of the table, register. After that, we have one another keyword name add, because if you look to the syntax to the query, it's like a plain English. Alter table means change the table. What kind of changes you want to bring inside this register table? So the query starts from here. I want to add one another field. So add age for me. And now next point is to add data type for that as well. So put a semicolon. Now alter table register add age integer. Now if I run it, you can see that I got a green button. Now for checking that, you have a two-way. Whether you can run it, select start from register. You can see that I have an age section, age field, but it's all null because we didn't insert any value. Or next job is that you can also do it, describe what? Describe register, describe the table itself. If you describe it, you can see that at the end of the table, I add one field name age, type as int, then null, it is nullable. It can be nullable, no constraint. We didn't apply any kind of constraint on that, on the top of the table. This was about adding a new field inside a table. Now your task is go ahead, select one of your database, which you have already created, which you did yesterday. Go select one of the table, do it. Do add one column which is not existed inside your table. Actually, this is your new topic that you studied today. So add one column which is not existed right there. So I will give you for that 2 minutes. Do it right now. And whenever you're done, just type done in the chat box. Someone did it. Sadaf, excellent job. Okay, Masood, excellent. You guys are too fast. Hamdard, excellent job. I guess you're practicing it alongside with me, but mostly just a little bit focus on theory as well. Whatever I'm explaining, just focus on that. You can practice it after me also. That's a good option. Okay, Ahmad Samadidin. Great job, Ahmad. Okay, I'm waiting still for other as well. Okay, Katya, great job, Katya. Excellent. Sardar, excellent. Great job, Nasib. Excellent job, Abdul Tawab. Khalid, excellent. Let's count how many people did it. Khalid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 9 to 10 people. But we have after alter table, people can add us. Excellent job, Feroz. Masood, excellent. 12 people. We are still remaining with 8 more peoples. I got it. Ashkan, excellent. Mustafa Mangal, excellent. We're remaining with 5 people. Hurry up, guys. Let's do it. It's a basic, simple task. Marina, excellent, Marina. Farid, excellent, Farid. Abdullah Shirzai, excellent. Just we are remaining with 3 people. Hurry up, guys. Okay, that's fine. As of now, we did learn that how to add a column or a field in an already exist created table. So let's learn one thing. Now, if I wanna insert some value, because these age values are right now nullable. It is null right now. So how we will insert value inside these tables? So for that, we will use insert command again. Insert into what? Into register. Directly specified a field age. Okay. For that, if you insert it, it will go down where, guys? It will go down directly, right? Insert it in the bottom of the table, but we don't want to do like that. And instead of insert, I have one alternative command as well. I write down insert for the first time. That's why, for the reason is that I want to show you that only insert the age, a new record for you. It will not generate, or it will not insert it inside a already existed record. So for that, we have update. Update what? Update register. Set which column? Age equal to what? I will add 25 for which record? Now I need to put a condition where ID is equal to what? ID is equal to 1. If I run this, you can see that whenever I select star again and I run this, now you can see that for the first record, ID 1 Farqan Ajizada, age got 25 record. Now with the help of update command, we can update these values one by one. Now you got my point, how to insert or how to put a record inside a table field which we add a new. This was your new trick that we can add with the help of update command. Just do one thing, go ahead and insert update 3 to 4 record inside your new created table for 4 records. One by one, run update command one by one. First of all, your task is to do it, to select star from register so you can see the IDs. After that, so run the update query on top of that and select the IDs where ID is equal to this. Just write down like me. I will give you 5 minutes for this. Okay, guys. Now let's see that how we will modify the field data type and size of the field inside our table, like Masood faced that problem. It's a good practice. Now let's check for that how we will do the modification with the table data types. For that, we need to run one another command. Okay, let's target one of our fields. Let me run the describe command. Let's see that right here. I can see that for my mobile number, it is 14 digit. Okay, so let me do one thing. It is text 34. Okay, for new password, the size is too much bigger. If you see new password Burka 34, I don't need to store 34 characters for my password. I need to store 20 character. So how can I bring it to 20? It means how can I change the data type of size of worker to 20 from 34 to 20? I mean to decrease the volume or size of the worker data type. For that, we have command alter what? Alter table. Next job is you need to target which table you want to alter. I will alter register table. Register. Okay. Now you have next command. Alter means change. If you find the meaning of alter in English, If we pronounce it or if we see it in dictionary, it means change. Change the table with register. Which kind of modification you want to add? For that, we have modify, but keyword modify. Modify what? Column. I need to modify column. Alter table register, modify column. Which column you want to modify? I want to modify new password column. New password. Password P is capital. Be careful, guys. Password. Okay. What you want to do with password? Okay. It is data type is worker, and size of the data type is 34, if you see. But I want to decrease it to 20. Now I want to run this command. You guys, just look right here in new password section. If you can see, my worker is 34. But if I run this command again, I will run it. My query is successfully executed. If I describe the table again, you can see that right now, my new password section is, if you see, worker size is moved to decrease to 20 from 34 to 20. That was the beauty of the modify command, that with the help of alter command, we can also decrease the size or increase the size. Suppose if I want to increase it again, so what I will do, let's copy that. You guys have both syntax, same command, same query. Right now I want to decrease it to 30. I feel that I need to store 30 character. So for that, run this command again. If I describe it again, you can see that right now for new password, worker size is 30, guys. Now you can see it, that I have a size 30. Go ahead, I will give you time. Just change the size of worker in your tables, change all fields of which has a data type of worker. Just play with the size. I will give you 5 minutes for that. Go ahead and start your practice. Whatever field of worker you have inside your table, target table, just start practicing and changing the size of the workers. I'll pause the recording. Now, guys, as of now, we just see that how we will change the size of the database with the alter command modify columns keyword. Now, if I want to change this new password from worker data type directly to integer, so how I will do that? For that, you don't need to worry about that. Just wait a second, do one thing, come right there and write down the same syntax, alter table register, 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 modify what? Modify column. Now, field of new password. Now, next is from integer, you need to change it to what? From worker, you need to change it to int. Just put a semicolon. Here you are. Now, as of now, you can see that you have a worker for your new password. Whenever I run it, you can see that if I describe the table again, you can check that now for why it's not get changed. Why not get changed? Alter table, new password. Wait a second. What it says, incorrect integer value. Okay, for column new password at row 1. Okay, we have already data inside that. Yeah, we cannot change directly whenever we have a data inside our table. Okay, let's assume it. Let it be for right now. Whenever it don't have any data, we can change that with the help of this command. Keep in mind that if the table has a data inside new password, you cannot change the data type of that. If the table doesn't have any data or field inside the new password, so you can change the data type from worker to column. Suppose, for example, let's create one table inside this Facebook. Create table. I will name the table EMP. I will add the field ID and primary key. name, didactic name, worker. Oh, we have to pick text, comma. Now I'll put pass. And I will take the data type as a worker. Later on, I will change it to digits. Now I'll put semicolon. If I run this, you can see that I created a table. Now, if I describe this table, EMP, let's describe it. Let's run this command. You can see that for pass, I have a worker. Now, if I run the alter command, alter table, EMP, modify column, which column? Pass. I need to pass to end. By a semicolon. Let's run this. You can see that now it gets changed. If I run this describe syntax again, you can see that my pass earlier was worker, but now it gets its data type changed to integer. It seems that whenever the fields are full, the data are in field placed in field, we cannot change the data type of that field because it have already data existed inside that field. But whenever the table is empty, the field is empty, that field which you want to target and change its data type, so you can change it directly with the help of which command? With the help of modify command. Go ahead and do one thing. Just do one thing. I will show you the trick. First of all, inside your existed table, go ahead and add one another column with the help of what? With the help of alter command. Alter table, register, add a new field, name it anything you can add, give the data type worker or anything, and after that run one another command, alter table, emp or anything, get the table name, modify column, target that column which you have already added right now. Next job is to change the data type of that. Go ahead right now. I will give you 5 minutes for that. You can do the way which I did, or you can do the way which I said right now. Let me scroll a little bit down so it will be more clear for you guys. Let me pause the recording. With that, let's put a full stop and learn one another command of alter. That's how we will delete the added column or field inside our table with the help of alter command. For example, I add a pass. Let me take an example. Let's add a new field inside what? Inside our register table. For that, I need to first describe it. Let's see what we have inside register. First of all, register. I'll run it. Inside register, I have these columns, age. But age is as of now empty. Just I inserted one record inside age. Let's add one another record. Alter table. After that, name of the table, register which table you wanna alter. Next is add what? I will add one another column, name address. I'll add address. Data type I will put worker. Says 20. Put semicolon. Let's run it. Let's describe this register again. You can see that I add one another column name address. Data type is worker and size is 20. But 2 minutes after the creation of this new field, I feel that it is extra. We don't need to insert address. We don't need to put the address inside our table. Nobody gives the address. So with the help of alter command, we can delete that field again. Now, what will be the syntax? The syntax is like this: alter drop column, like this we will say, alter table register. Okay, target the table. Now, you study that with the help of drop, you can drop the table, you can drop the database. Now you can drop the field as well. Alter table register, drop. Now you have to specify the column as well. Drop, like modify column. Now you have to specify the column. Drop column. Which column you need to drop? I need to drop address column. But the semicolon. If I run this, my query executed successfully. If I describe it again, you can see that I don't have any address as of now inside my register table. This was that how we will drop the already created field inside our already created table. Okay, guys, go ahead and practice it as I did. I'll give you 2 minutes for that. With the help of alter command, we see that, guys, we can add, we can delete, we can modify anything inside our table structure. This was all about the SQL that we studied, DDL and DML commands. Tomorrow, I will take the revision. I will start from the beginning when we will cover till today topic, whatever data type or whatever syntax we cover, I will explain it again in a brief, and we will jump in and we will go to select one website, and we will first analyze that which kind of tables inside that website we have to create that tables. We will practice a mini project that how we will create a database, see the websites, and we will create the database for that. I will practice tomorrow that, and we will insert some sorts of record. You will enjoy it a lot, guys. And with tomorrow's session, we are done with the SQL. Nothing remaining for this course. Okay, I'll stop the recording.